In this video, you're going to learn how to make a case for tablets and laptops. Please see our website for more detailed instructions on each step, how to measure your device, and a complete list of materials you're going to need for this project. The link is in the description of this video. Step 1. Measure your device. Measure the height, width, and thickness of the device. We will use the example dimensions listed in this image. Step 2. Cut the main fabric and lining dimensions. Cut the dimensions of the main fabric and lining. A more detailed instruction on how much to add to the dimensions can be found on our website. Step 3. Cut fusible flex foam. Step 4. Prepare piping. Cut the cording and select the contrast or coordinating fabric for the piping. For piping tips, check out our instructional video available on our website. Step 5. Prepare bias tape. Bias tape width is a personal design preference. You can choose a larger or smaller thickness, and the width should be the same for all 3 pieces. For bias tape tips, check out our instructional video available on our website. Step 6. Start the project. Place the fabric and lining with the right sides together. Step 7. Optional closure, elastic and buttons. For this project, we used buttons. You can use many different types of closures, including hook and loop, buttons, toggles, etc. Cut 2 pieces of elastic cord 3 inches. Mark with chalk the center height, side A of the fabric. Then mark 2 inches on each side of the center chalk line to create the left and right chalk line. Place looped elastic on the left chalk line between the lining and the fabric. The raw ends of the elastic should be together towards the edge of the material. Pin or clip in place. Repeat this step with the other piece of elastic on the right chalk line. Step 8. Make the piping. After making the 15-inch 38cm piping by following our video on our website, place center and clip piping along the edge of the side A height between the fabric and elastic. Step 9. Sewing the edges. With patience, sew fabric to the lining of the side A height with elastic and piping in one continuous stitch. Remember to backstitch. Turn inside out. Step 10. Place and fuse fusible flex foam. Place fusible flex foam between the wrong sides of fabric. Press the fusible flex foam up against the height A side edge. Keep the foam centered between the width edges. Fuse the fusible flex foam to the fabric and lining with an iron. Cut off the extra fabric and lining off the height of side B. Step 11. Bias tape on height edge B. Place and clip the bias tape over the height side B. Sew and backstitch over the bias tape. Step 12. Fold the width. Measure down the width starting from height side B. Fold the lining sides together and clip the folded layers together on each side. Step number 13, put the bias tape on the width. Add the bias tape with clips covering each side of the width. Sew and backstitch to complete. Step number 14, add a button. From height side B, mark with chalk the center height on each side of the fabric that has binding. Measure from the center 2 inches on each side of the marking. and 3.5 inches down. Mark these 2 spots on each side to indicate the button placement. Hand sew the button into placement markings. Now your project is complete. Visit our website to make this case in more sizes. Share pictures of your finished project and tag us at Fabricland Canada. Thanks for watching!